Hello and welcome again to the home of FreeBots, and where we discuss tips and tricks on how to be a profitable and a consistent trader on a daily basis trading the binary option. So if you're someone who is interested in binary option, you can grab a seat and follow me step by step as I try to show you in today's video on how to trade on one touch or no touch. So before we jump into the video today, please ensure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, and also leave a comment in the section below. By doing those four things, then you give me an opportunity to give you access to the free bots that I have at the moment in my Telegram group. So if you do that, please follow the instructions in my description and you'll be able to get access to the bots. Now once that's said, let's now jump directly into the video, and I want to start by giving you a bit of knowledge about touch no touch and how it works, so that as you trade with it you quite understand what you're trading. So when you come to manual, you realize that this is how it works, and this is the barrier. So when it touches this is the barrier that it's supposed to touch. So when it touches it, then we call it touch. When it doesn't touch it, then we call it no touch. So for example, if you place a contract and you chose touch, and then it comes and touches the line, then you win. But if it doesn't touch the line, then you lose. On the other side, where we refer to as no touch, if this is the starting point and it goes within the time frame and it doesn't touch the line, then you win because you chose no touch. So it doesn't touch the barrier, which is our target within that particular contract. So that is how touch no touch works. So here they say if you select touches, you win the payout if the market touches the barrier at any time during the contract period. If you select does not touch, you win the payout if the market never touches the barrier at any time during the contract period. I think that's clear. Now, the payout for touch no touch is not that much, because when you invest $10, we expect you to get 13.37 as your payout. So the return is just that 3.7%. So the returns are not that much as compared to maybe when you're trading on rise fall. So I placed my trade here, and this bot is referred to as eTech, and eTech, you will be able to access it if you request for it as I've directed. And so it has gone for 12 runs. It has gone for 12 runs, and it has a disadvantage. In as much as it has gone for 12 runs, it has lost once. And when it lost once, we had a very big impact, because if we were at 10, then that was 1.70 profit. Okay? But when it hit this -1, then we went to 0.7. A very big impact. Then later on it downgraded to buying 0.5, because that is what is in this particular board here. Fixed stake, start when loss, then disable. So trigger 1, fixed stake 0.5 once it loses. And the reason why I think it does so is so that it's able to reduce the number of risk as compared to maybe these other bots where it continues to lose continuously. So it's trying to reduce the pace at which it will be losing, and you see it bought here at 0.5 and then recovered. It went into a win. Then here it bought at 1.92 and we were able to get 0.32. So we were able to come out of a negative impact. Okay? So this bot is very good. It's a very good bot if you're patient, and the only thing I can say, if you invest a big amount here and run it maybe 5 times and stop, I'm quite very sure it will be able to give you a very nice return. Another limitation of this bot, it's very slow. It goes very slow. It takes time. It really takes time to trade. It's not like maybe when you're trading on rise, fall, and so on. It takes a lot of time to analyze the data before it achieves what it wants. So it's a bot that requires a bit of patience on your side. Another thing, this bot does not trade on binary.com or DERIV.com, but only trades on this website we refer to as bot.binarytools.io platform. So if you trade with it on binary.com, it will give you an error. So you can only trade with it on bot.binarytools.io platform, and you'll be able to get your profits. So that's what I wanted to at least review for you, this kind of a bot, and when you're trading with it, what will be the effect of it and how you can be able to manage it with your management, risk management that you might have. So that's all I wanted to show you today. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment below. If you disagree with my ideology, you can also leave in the comment section below, so that we can agree, because we are trying to discuss knowledge and how to be profitable on a daily basis.